Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the difference between IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in cloud computing and different models of cloud computing. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page and Instagram as well. Friend, if you are considering moving your e-commerce business or company to the cloud, so here are the three important acronyms to wrap up your head around: IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. These are the three main types of cloud computing. You have probably heard about these before. They are all experiencing a surge in popularity as more businesses move to the cloud. SaaS accounts for approximately 24% of all enterprise workloads, up from 14% in 2016. IaaS is hovering around 12%, up from 6%. PaaS is currently the most popular model, hovering around 32% and expected to grow in 2021 and 22 as well. The key differences between on-premises SaaS, PaaS and IaaS. What are those? Not so long ago, all of a company IT systems were on premises and clouds were just white fluffy things in the sky. SaaS, PaaS and IaaS are simply three ways to describe how you can use the cloud for your business. IaaS. Friend, cloud-based services pay as you go for services such as storage, networking and virtualization. PaaS, hardware and software tools available over the internet. SaaS, software that's available via a third party over the internet. On-premises, software that's installed in the same building as your business. Example of SaaS, PaaS and IaaS. Most businesses use a combination of SaaS and IaaS cloud computing service models, and many engage developers to create applications using PaaS too. SaaS examples: BigCommerce, Google Apps, Salesforce, Dropbox, Zendesk, Slack, HubSpot, etc. PaaS examples: AWS, Elastic, Heroku, Windows, Azure, Force.com, OpenShift, Apache Stratos, Magento Commerce Cloud. IaaS examples: AWS EC2, Rackspace, Google Cloud Engine, DigitalOcean, Magento 1 Enterprise Edition. The three types of cloud computing service models explained: IaaS, infrastructure as a service. IaaS businesses offer services such as pay as you go storage, networking and virtualization. IaaS gives users cloud based alternatives to on premises infrastructure, so businesses can avoid investing in expensive on site resources. IaaS delivery based on the over the internet. IaaS advantages are: maintaining on premise infrastructure is costly and labor intensive. It often requires a significant initial investment in physical hardware, and then you will probably need to engage external IT contractors to maintain the hardware and keep everything working and up to date. IaaS solutions are highly flexible and highly scalable, and you can replace it whenever you need without losing money on your initial investment. Another advantage of IaaS is it puts control over the infrastructure back in your hands. You no longer need to place faith in an external IT contractor. You can access and oversee IaaS platform yourself if you wish. Iws characteristics: IaaS platforms are highly flexible and highly scalable, accessible by multiple users, cost effective. When to use IaaS? IaaS is beneficial to business of all shapes and sizes, as it allows complete control over your infrastructure. and operates on a pay as you use model, so it fits into most budgets. With most IaaS platforms, you get access to ongoing support and have the option of scaling up your requirements at any time. Utilizing IaaS is a great way to future proof your business. IaaS non-e-commerce example. A good example of IaaS is AWS EC2. EC2 provides a scalable infrastructure for companies who want to host cloud-based applications. EC2 users do not own the physical servers. AWS provides virtual servers. IaaS e-commerce example. Magento 1 Enterprise Edition can be either on premises or IaaS depending on how the merchant choose to host their store. In the case of IaaS, the merchant is paying Magento for the licensing of the software and then using a third-party vendor for the best web hosting such as Rackspace. Merchants are able to pay for a hosting plan that meets their own needs without the cost of maintaining their own physical servers. The merchant is still responsible for installing and managing updates to their Magento software. Now, PaaS, platform as a service. PaaS vendor provides hardware and software tools over the internet, and people are these tools use these tools to develop applications. PaaS users tend to be developers. PaaS delivery over the internet. PaaS advantages. PaaS is primarily used by the developers who are building software or applications. This means developers don't need to start from scratch when creating applications, saving them a lot of time and money on writing extensive code. PaaS is popular choice for businesses who want to create unique applications without spending a fortune or taking on all the responsibility. It's a kind of like the difference between hiring a venue to put on a show versus building a venue to put on a show. The venue stays the same, but what you create is that space is unique. PaaS characteristics. PaaS platforms are accessible by multiple users. Scalable, you can choose from various tiers of resources to suit the size of your business. Built on virtualization technology, easy to run without extensive system administrative knowledge. When to use PaaS? PaaS is often the most cost effective and time effective way for a developer to create a unique application. PaaS allows the developer to focus on the creative side of app development as opposed to manual tasks such as managing software updates or security patches. All of their time and their brain power will go into creating, testing, and deploying the app. PaaS non-e-commerce example. A good example of PaaS is AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Amazon Web Services. AWS offers over 100 cloud computing services such as EC2, RDS, and S3. Most of these services can be used as IaaS, and most companies who use AWS will pick and choose the service they need. However, managing multiple different services can quickly become different and time consuming for users. PaaS e-commerce examples are Magento Commerce Cloud, also known as Magento Enterprise Cloud Edition, is the most common example of PaaS for e-commerce. This enables the merchant to bundle their hosting as part of their package with Magento. Merchants evaluating Magento go through a scoping process to determine their hosting needs, which is then bundled into their monthly plan. Merchants still have full access to edit the source code of their Magento store and can fully customize the application. SaaS, software as a service. SaaS platforms make software available to users over the internet, usually for a monthly subscription fee. SaaS delivery over the internet. SaaS advantages. With SaaS, you don't need to install and run software applications on your computer or any other computer. Everything is available over the internet when you log in to your account online. You can easily access the software from any device anytime as long as there is an internet connection. The same goes for anyone else using the software. All your staff will have personalized logins suitable to their access level. Most subscriptions include maintenance, compliance, and security services, which can be time consuming and costly when using on premise software. SaaS providers also offer out of the box solutions that are simple to set up if you need a basic package, with more complex solutions for large organizations. You could have the basic software up and running within a matter of hours, and you will have access to customer service and support along the way. SaaS characteristics. SaaS platforms are available over the internet, hosted on a remote server by a third party provider, scalable with different tiers for a small, medium, and enterprise level business, inclusive, offering security, compliance, and maintenance as part of the cost. When to use the SaaS? Take your email server for example. You want to know how that you will continue to send and receive emails without needing to fiddle with your email settings or worry about updates. Imagine if your email server went under because you forgot to update it and you went days without email. That's simply not an option in today's marketplace. If you use a SaaS platform to run your email inbox, the chances of something going wrong are very small. And if something did go wrong, it would be up to the SaaS provider to find a solution. So, what are the differences between IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS? IaaS is there to provide you with maximum flexibility when it comes to hosting custom built apps, as well as providing a general data center for data storage. PaaS is most often built on top of an IaaS platform to reduce the need for system administration. It allows you to focus on app development instead of infrastructure management. SaaS offers ready to use out of the box solution that meet a particular business need, such as website or email. Most modern SaaS platforms are built on IaaS or PaaS platforms. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.